Put the camera on that man. Put the camera on that
Bakuba President Emigo. 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 Simatogenda nnyo. Vayo Gokero. Wait, Tata Junior, we know you, sir. So pretend. We start with your kids. Pretend. President yali mwaka akavuyo. Kola bamukuba olukuba. Bamukuba olukuba. Bakubye President Emigo. Abasajja b'Amajje bano. Dani Magic Bamwasiza Omutwe. Dani Magic Bamwasiza Omutwe.
Look what they're doing to us. Ambulance, where's the ambulance? Where's the ambulance? It's okay. We have not done anything wrong. We have not done anything wrong. Tetulina musango gwe tukoze. Mera Amajje bekali mukweyisa.
Kale embera ya bulumi nkusaba soko we video eno like nkwegayiridde kati eno yo mbegayiridde like nga video edduka tuke ku buli simu yoyo alowooza nti ali mu byakwerinda alowooza nti ali ni charge n'akalukano alowooza nti ali mu kuvuganya mu race yemu ne mwami Kyagulanyi center mu ba NUP race jevuganyamu nayo omusayi guyise mu bitundu bye Gulu Dani Magic bamukubye omutwe neguyiko omusayi abana bangi bakubiddwa kiboko emigo egikwatiddwa abakuuma ddembe abali mu uniform ya UPDF bali wamu ne police bagenze maso n'okuba nti bakalakata abantu emigo egitagambika nkusaba likinga video eno emirundi gy'osobola nkusaba sharinga video eno ogivuge ku buli muntu yenna gwolowooza nti asobola okusharinga video netuuka kwabo bekikwatako tuli mukasera ka kunoonya bululu tetunaba kutuuka ku lunaku lwa 15 omwezi ogujja olw'okulonda akalulu naye tulinga already abali mu kufuna results y'ebyo ebiva mu kalulu singa kaba tekatambudde bulungi. Look at the nation engeri ekifaananyi kye tusiiga naddala nga tukisiigira amawanga amalala tutegeeza ki bagezezaako okubeera nga bamublockinga kuyingira municipality ya Gulu nagenda maso n'okubabuuza ensonga lwaki nga tebayina nsonga nzikiriza nkweyanjulire nze Vicky omukutu nsinzira buterevu ku Vicky exclusive nkwebaza bwebaza nenkusaba akolwalero sina budde bungi munzikirize pavini asoka ntereo neka video clip akalala nga bamaze okukubibwa Embonko ate nako tusoke tukalaba omulundi gumu nzije ebisigadde mbikunnyonnyolere mu ebyo bye nabandabye ne kwe nasinzira information gye nnina pavini batuwa akatambi akalala
before the time runs out, the electoral commission knows we're supposed to be campaigning here in Gulu City. Why are you blocking the road on us?
It's all right. Look what they are doing to us. Look what they are doing to us. It's okay, my brother. It's okay. It's okay, my son. It's okay. We have not done anything wrong. We have not done anything wrong. Tetulina musango gwe tukoze. Naye laba amajje bwe gali mu kweyisa. Laba police kyali mukola. Look what the police is doing. It is our right to campaign here in Gulu.
Okay. Kakati nina obulumi nze ng'omuntu munnayuganda bwenfuna wakati mu kwongera okubuuza omugaso gw'ebitongole by'okwerinda eriffe singa tuba tukuŋŋaanye ndowooza ekyali badde ekituufu kutuwa bukuumi na kumakinga sure nti tuli balamu. Mwali muzeekaawo ne mukitunuulira enfunda zonna okuva campaigns lwe zaatandika n'ebikwekweta ebikolebwa poliisi ebisinga okubeera ebyenjawulo nti poliisi ejja ekimanyi egenda kutuusa obuvune ku bantu naye poliisi netajja na ambulance egenda kutwala abantu banaaba bafunye bukosefu oba buvune. Poliisi edeployinga patrol zaayo ezijjudde basajja baayo ezisukka mu 10 kulaale mwami Kyagulanyi wagenda okubeera ne poliisi tedeployingayo ambulance n'emu egenda kujjawo omuntu singa aba afunye obuzibu whereby ne ambulance ebeera eteekeddwa okubeera ku side y'abaana aba campaigninga etuuka ekiseera ne blockingibwa nga bagiblokingidde mabega tesobola kuvuga kujja mu maaso kwa kisesinga wantu wali buzibu singa obuzibu bubeera butuuseewo. Now olunaku olwaleero mwami Kyagulanyi presidential candidate wa National Unity Platform agenda maaso era yabadde ali mu mateeka nakati akyali mu mateeka essaawa 12 tezinnawera ez'okuba nti akampeyingira mu kitundu kino eky'eggulu. Yasoose mu district ya Jumani era n'akuba olukuŋŋaana lwe olubadde aluwedde obulungi n'asalawo yesse mu ddene ajje mu bitundu by'eggulu akuba olukuŋŋaana lwe olwokubiri oluggala olunaku. Abasajja basoose kulumba wa wagenda kuba lukuŋŋaana lwe ne boonoona ebintu biyitirivu. Sound system ne bagijjako ebintu ebimu computer amplifiers emmotoka z'abantu ezabadde zasooseyo dda ku venue zonna ne bazikubakuba. Police eri bize ekuba amajje gali bize gakutte emigoba nti gasanyu kuno si kukuba gakanyaga abantu Embonko. Without them having an ambulance egenda okuyamba abantu bano. How it all started. Bitandise Bobi Wine ayingira municipality y'Eggulu ng'ava Jumani. Police ne blocking ekubo nga lwaki teba na nsonga nambulukufu gyewa presidential candidate tewa na nsonga nambulukufu ku budde ono bwagenda kubeera nga amala mu makubo ge babeera balowooza nti gyaliteekeddwa okuyita. And remember mwami Kyagulanyi ne campaigning team ye babeera bakkaanya dda ku routes ki ezigenda okukozesebwa okutambula okutuuka mpaka ku venue. Naye ne beesanga mu katu oba ne beesanga mu kaseera akasinga okuba akazibu police ne bagaano ba ne blocking routes ezakkaanyizibwako at first kwe approvingira venue police ne bawa alternative routes endala ezo ngezibawadde mu kaseera akatabaddeeko notice mu kaseera akasembayo ddala. Most of the times bagenda okutuuka okumpi ne venue nga police blockings amakubo nga kibeetaagisa okutwala obudde obulala obuwererako ddala nga bwe nkugambye nti bablockingibwa access okukozesa amakubo agabatuusa amangu ku venues without notes okuba nti zabaweereddwa ng'obudde bukyali babeere nga bamanyi nti ku schedule yaabwe ey'olunaku balina kutambula nga bareservinga time additional time enaayongerwamu mu kuyita makubo ganage wala gye babeera baagala okubayisa. Now police is not saying anything. Police teyina kyegamba teyina kyennyonnyodde olunaku olwaleero okusinziira ku munnamawulire ampadde information ku ground angambye nti blockings era obutambi bwendabako they have just blocked the road. Amajje gagenze buterevu n'okwetaba mu kintu kino mpaka oka video akakedda kiiketa mpavini bobo kalinako then abantu batunulire embeera at the same time ogenda kumaliriza ojjo tuwe speech ya Bobi Wine amaze n'atuuka mu mpaka mu maanyi mu bugubi mu bulumi obw'abalwadde baalina abakoseddwa and even bagoons oba abantu ab'effujjo ababadde bambadde engoye za NRM nabo aboogeddeko. Soko tuweko ka video ako ke twakkanyizaako engeri police je interacting amne presidential candidate nga anytime asobola okukwata obuyinza bannayuganda singa babeera basazeewo naye njagala olabe engeri gye bamutreatingamu bakatuwe.
Look at the thugs covering their faces. God damn, before the time runs out, the electoral commission knows we are supposed to be campaigning here in Gulu City. Why are you blocking the road on us? See the thugs that are covering their faces. Look at the thugs covering their faces, guarded by the military. And the electoral commission is silent. The police is silent. This is not a military operation. This is the presidential campaign. Yes! We are supposed to be campaigning today in Gulu City. Please allow us to go and campaign. The world is watching you. The world is watching you organize thugs to harm people. We know you arrested all my security team because you want to harm me. The world is watching you. You cannot harm all the people in Uganda. Please allow us to go and campaign. Stop embarrassing the national uniform. We are supposed to campaign in Gulu City. To you, the journalists, please cover everything. Please film everything. I know these people are planning to harm me. They are planning danger on my life. But what I want the world to be watching everything that the so-called Uganda People's Defense Forces is doing, that the so-called Uganda Police Force is doing. Look at what they are doing.
Sharing.
And now we are telling them to go to the office. The office was violated yesterday. Yesterday back one. We are telling them to access the office. Then they are saying no. We are not going to the office. We are not going to the rally. You understand what is the problem? No, it's not rally. That's period. No, it's not rally. Let us be denied that.
Now, that is Uganda police, Ugandan security, which is supposed to come out and help the lives of people. But they are busy coordinating with the UPDF, beating up Ugandans, leaving injuries. They move even without ambulances. Bakola damages kulambwa abantu. Nene batalekaawo chance oba muwaatwa ewagenda okuwonyezebwa omuntu ono akoseddwa bo bennyini gwe bakoseza. Look at those soldiers. Engeri gye bakubamu ne gye bakyangamu endigito. Oyinza okulowooza bali mu lutalo as if they are fighting terrorists, not treating Ugandans. Musajja mukulu bamukuba embooko. Emitwe gy'abantu bameka gye bayuzizza mulowooza musaayi gw'abantu bameka oguyuse kukola nsoyo. How many people, how many lives? Uganda security agencies, we always call upon you to come out, to come up with a solution. There are so many rules of engagement. But why do you always use force? I always wonder. I always wonder. Why would a fellow human treat a fellow human ng'omuntu atali munsi ye? From there, wakati mbugubi obw'amaanyi, omuntu ali supposed ateekeddwa mu mateeka okuyingira ekitundu ekyo, okubamu olukuŋŋaana, atuuka ku level eyeegayirira abasirikale nti munyambe munzikirizibwe ngende n'abantu bange tu campaigning time egwayo. But no one is answering them. Mami Kyagulanyi ayogera n'aba security nenga teri n'omu amuddamu ng'alinganga kasirwe yeeyogeza. Atuuka ekiseera n'asoberwa. Abuuza, can I proceed? Can I go back? Because no one is answering him. Kyava afuna ekyokusalawo n'agamba, you know what? The road has been broken or has been blocked. Now, it's time to move. Na moving sabigere motoka zibalekere, but drivers banazireta bano we banenyula. Ya catching up time asobolo ku reachinga ku venue ng'obudde bukyamusobozesa bukyali ku side ye. Because ne ku venue ewali endigito oba ku venue ewamaze okukolebwa effujjo nga ne security gyeri tewabaddeeyo obukuumi bwayo. And even singa agezaako n'asussa mu ssaawa ezimuweebwa akakiiko k'ebyokulonda n'amateeka 12. Era the same people abambadde uniform y'eggwanga abagenda okutuntuza abantu abanaaba bali naye abamuwuliriza ku venue. You're delaying the candidate even after allowing him to proceed to the venue. You are also following him. Nebwa asobyamu eddakiika ezitali nnyingi mu ssaawa ezaateekebwawo kuba campaign. You're going to beat his supporters. You're going to damage the supporters and even the candidate and his campaigning team. So, Ugandan Army lengera batambula n'emigo with bias faces. Faces ab'Amajje teziriiko kaseka. Faces abasirikale bano tekuli kaseka. The guy reached at the point, the presidential candidate, of telling the Electoral Commission security that you can't even talk to your fellow security officers. Now it's time to involve in things barely. Obuzibu wenyiga nange njogera luzungu. Now, amazena atambula awaisewo wakati mu kibooke enyoka Dani Magic ne bamukuba n'abalala abamu kubali ku timu ye ne bakubibwa abaana abalala abadde bagezaako okulaga essanyu okumwelukaminga mu Gulu City banji bakubidwa boda zaabwe ezisinga zigudde kutaka nga bwe mbirabye embutambi mpaka ne bayita mbugubi ne batuuka ku venue. Nsaba otuweeko ku speech ye kwebyo byasobodde okwogera ebitonotono ku venue n'abantu abalaze obuvumu wakati mu kusooka okutiisibwa ne batuuka ku venue era ne bakkiriza okuwuliriza ebigambo bya presidential candidate waabwe abadde alindiriddwa. Abantu abasoose okutuuka ku kisaawe ku makya bo baayimbuliddwa ekikosi ky'abavubuka abagambibwa okuba mbu babadde bakuumibwa Amajje ne bakola effujjo ne basaayasa ebintu ebibadde awo era nga Mwami Kyagulanyi bagenda okubi explaininga mu video eno. Tusaba Pavini otereyo speech nga bwe badde. Yes.
Yellow t-shirts. Some of them are soldiers. Others are police officers. And others are thugs that they pick from some ghettos. These people were guarded by police and UPDF and Uganda prison. There were more than 400 police officers in Roya yesterday. But they were watching and guarding the people that attacked me and my team. These are the same people that attacked us on our way to Elegu. You all are aware, especially those of you who live in Gulu here. You know where our NUP
office is. The military came and blocked both sides of the road. And they dismantled everything in our office. Now today, all of you have been watching. They blocked the road. They tried to delay me. Make sure I reach here after 6. So that I fail to talk to you. Now all these things, they are being done by an old man. Everything you see is being done by a man who has been in power for 40 years. A man who is over 80 years old. But he has no shame. In the morning, we had a stage here. But now we are standing on the speakers. Because earlier today, thugs came here, protected by the military, and they beat everyone. They destroyed this sound. They destroyed the stage. They broke all the glasses on this car. And they were being protected by the military. Now, I want you to understand this. The Uganda police, they said they are creating security. They said they are creating stability. In Gulu today, we have more than 1,000 police officers. We have more than 500 UPDF soldiers. But their only job, their assignment today, is not to give security to the people, but to make sure that Bobi Wine does not campaign in Gulu. I want to tell you, police officers, I want to tell you, UPDF officers, you cannot force people to love your boss. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. Attention to my message today. Because what I am saying, Museveni brought more than 1,500 soldiers and police officers. Make sure I don't talk to you. When you are coming here, this is what they did to my brother Oyerot. This is what they did to Dan Magic. They beat everyone. But the same soldiers, the same police officers, who know that I am supposed to be campaigning here by law, came here to protect the thugs that were beating up our people. They came here to block the road so that I don't use the public roads. They came here to make sure the people of Gulu don't open their eyes. I have a message for all of them. And I have a message for Museveni. You are too late. You cannot stop an idea whose time has come. Stop the people of Uganda. Now let me tell you this, my brothers and sisters. It has been 40 years. Museveni took over our country 40 years ago. Many of you do not know what happened. But I want to tell you, like I was telling the Acholi people where I came from, many of you have smartphones. After you live here, I want you to use your phone. I want you to go to YouTube and brilliant genocide. It will help you to understand what Museveni has done to the Acholi people. And right now, Museveni is saying that he's protecting his game. I want to ask you, the people of Gulu, do you have any game to protect? Let me also say this. Let me say this to the people of Gulu. Museveni sent his brother Salim Saleh to Gulu to colonize you, to colonize all of you. And he said they are protecting their game. Why not Walter Ochola? Why not? Listen to me. Why not Walter Ochola? Why not Julius Oketa? Why not Paulo Kech? Why not Jacob Olanya? I want to ask you, the young people of Acholi, do you know how all those people died? Do you know how Julius Oketa died? Do you know how Walter Ochola died? Do you know how Jacob Olanya died? How Paulo Kech died? This is the same question that I ask the people of Uganda where I come from. Because we don't know how Kasile Gwanga died. We don't know how Sheikh Muzata died. We don't know how our people died. Now I want to tell you, the people of Acholi, and nobody is going to tell you this. You will not hear this on TV. That is why they bring the military to stop me from talking to you. And the person who commanded the people that beat our people is called Ahimbisiwe Fred. If you look carefully, if you see what I see, then you will understand that all DPCs and all RPCs here in Acholi, Karamoja, in Elango, in Muganda, all of them come from the same area. And even all Manilanders, don't run away. Don't run away. Don't let them scare you. You have not committed any crime. You have not committed any crime. They will do that. They will intimidate you. But one day Uganda will be free. One day Uganda will be free. One day Uganda will be free. I say we are fighting for freedom. We are fighting for freedom. So I want you to listen, my brother, my sister. What is happening today? What you saw happening in Gulu today, that is enough to show you everything you need to know. That is enough to show you everything you need to know. I want you to pay attention to this message. And if you have a phone, I want you to record this message. And I will tell you this, that we are all slaves on our own land. They made us slaves on our own land. Whether you are in Acholi, whether you are in Buganda, whether you are in Busoga, whether in Karamoja, everywhere in the country, they turned us into slaves on our own land. And I want to tell you this. During the days of slavery, there were two types of slaves. There were two types of slaves. There were the house slaves and the plantation slaves. I said there were the house slaves. The white man made the house slave think that they are also white. So Museveni made the Acholi slave think that they are also like Museveni. Museveni made the Baganda slave think that they are also like Museveni. What you see happening in Acholi today is something that's happening everywhere. Museveni did that by dividing us, by making us hate each other. He bases that on tribe. What you see today, for Museveni to make you believe that you are not supposed to love Bobi Wine because he's a Muganda. He is also using my fellow Baganda to fight me. And you have seen that. Just like he's going to use your fellow Acholi to turn you into slaves. So today this is not a presidential campaign. And I'm not campaigning right now. I am asking you to open your eyes. I am asking you to open your mouth and to understand that the reason why they don't want me to talk to you is because when we meet and when we talk, we shall know that we are one person. We shall know that we have the same problem. And when we unite, it will be game over for Museveni and his people. I want you to think about the land that has been stolen from you. I want you to think about the people that they are putting on your land by force. I want you to think about the freedom that they are taking from you. Why is it a crime for you to attend a political rally? Mr. Yabakama is not going to talk about this. And Biakagawa is also not going to talk about this. But I want to tell you, my brother, my sister, the hope you have is in yourself. You are your own hope. We are on our own as the people of Uganda. But what makes me happy is that we have all opened our eyes. Now the next thing we have to do, is to unite.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Amanya Alhaji Idi Binywera Alkadiri omusomi weddwa ez'obuwanguzi duwe eziyambibwa Kongo ofukamidde ku kyoto ekyo kyolabaawo ekiyitibwa kanoonya ekikunoonyeza obuwanguzi ekikunoonyeza amaanyi ekikunoonyeza okufuna ekikunoonyeza emirembe mu dunia n'oba nga oli bweru wa ggwanga passport zo zakyankalana buli kimu kyonna ne visa ekyoto ekyo kye neeyambisa ne nteekako ne empeke z'ebinyeebwa ezo ne nzisimba ku lusuku ekinyeebwa kibwe kimala okumera n'ekijanjaalo ekyo Allahumma gafili wallahi yazukuna salatu wassalamu bamaze tuka ku buwanguzi amanya gego Alhaji Idi Binywera omusomi weddwa ey'obuwanguzi ey'ekibala okuli n'ekyoto ekyo kiyitibwa kanoonya eky'obuwanguzi ekikunoonyeza emaali ey'emikisa era ey'emirembe enamba yange eri 0703546931 ne ku WhatsApp kweri 0703546931 Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.